I knew Mohawk had a great program when it came to technology. I knew that was kind of their bread and butter. And really, kind of doing my research, I knew I wanted to get into the electrical field, so it was kind of just picking what school was best from that. And I knew when it came to colleges, Mohawk was the choice.
I knew I wanted to do something hands-on. After researching a couple different colleges, Mohawk came up as the #1 for skilled trades. And just anything that would keep me up with the ever-changing technology.
Specifically the labs at Mohawk, the PLC lab specifically, and I believe we did VFDs and drives, which was huge because that's really our main. Well, we have many products we sell, but that's one of our main products. You know, PLC and Logics and VFDs as well. So being able to work on those and kind of seeing what they were all about, having an understanding of the softwares that are used to communicate to them, it was huge and kind of making me feel comfortable taking on this role at this company.
I worked a few years before going to Mohawk College and returned as a mature student. It was 25 years ago now, but it gave me an opportunity to get back into studying and advance my career. I got an opportunity to get out, see what salespeople do, and was able to apply my engineering skills and what I learned through the college programs in a sales role. And again, it's served me well for the last 20 years.
It's scary in the beginning, but just do it. Like, honestly, one step at a time. You're gonna face obstacles, but at the end of the day, you'll fit in and you're just like one of them.